Well, good morning, YouTubers, and welcome back to the channel. Simon B here again. I suppose who else will be here, really? Anyway, been here before, haven't we? Have we? Yeah, we think we did, didn't we? Garsdale Head, settled to Carlisle Railway. And we're going to follow it up a bit because we're going to go on a road that I forgot all about, because last time I went up it and came back home I had an accident on my GS and I got knocked out and concussed and I can't remember the road. So I thought, hey, why not? It's Sunday morning, it's about 9:30. The weather was supposed to be better than this. It's about 15 degrees, it's a bit chilly. I thought it was going to be about 20 degrees. Come unprepared for all eventualities. But yeah, fancy a bit of that. Stick around, stay tuned. So on the GS today, I was going to come on the Spitfire, but I don't know, I rode my GS for a bit, so I thought, hey, why not? And we're going in a few places, bit of a tour, so the GS it is. So Garsdale Head, and if you carrying up on that road just there, you'd end up in Hawes, which I think we've been before. We're going to turn left and head up towards Kirkby Steven. So I've repositioned my 360 camera, as you can see. The reason for it, I had it on here, on a short piece, and it didn't really show much, so I thought I'd get it out of the way a bit. So yeah, all the way down here, you end up with little viaducts. And stations, phone boxes. Yeah, it's a couple of 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 2 years ago. I come up this road and then came back down through back of Kendal and slipped on some diesel and stuff, which wasn't very nice. So how's everybody keeping then? We'll all be out on our bikes now? Well, hopefully it should be. Well, I would hope so. So we've got little tunnels. Plenty of moor. This is the B6259. you either go over the railway line or under the railway line. Excuse me. So we're heading up to Kirkby Steven, and then from Kirkby Steven we're just going to go out of it a little bit and head towards we're going to go to Tan Hill. Yeah. Up over to Tan Hill, back into Hawes, out of Hawes head towards Ingleton and turn off and go through Dent and then back home. Welcome back into Cumbria. So you can see why many people pay good money to go on the Settle to Carlisle Railway. I thought there'd have been a bit more water coming down there really, but it wasn't. It's one of the it's called some falls, I can't remember what it's called. But look at that down there, look at that. Hey. Now we're in Cumbria, but that looks like Yorkshire to me. Another sign read Squirrels, slow down. Our native species, unlike the grey ones, brown ones, which were brought in from America, to now vermin. But people think they're lovely, lovely little fluffy things. Probably a lot of people don't come down here. And look at it, the vistas, the vistas. A lovely house, wasn't it? A lot round here, everywhere. Oh, look at the size of the road. There's nobody on it. Well, it's 9 o'clock in the morning, but well, 9:45. Excuse me. A lovely place to live. Now them hills up there must be named something. I don't know what. But I'll find out. Full of limestone. It's a little bit windy today as well. I didn't think it was going to be. Light winds, they did say, but there's a lot of barns, isn't there? wonder who owns them all. They're everywhere. I vaguely remember seeing that last time I came up here, but like I said, because I had concussion, I couldn't remember the whole day. But, where's that? Pendragon Castle. One of the things about owning a 360 camera and sticking it to places where it doesn't really like going is dropping it, damaging it. Because once you scratch them lenses, you might as well throw it in the bin. To get some lens guards for them, but they're never available because everybody wants them. They go into stock and boom, gone. Oh dear, not rain. Rain. More red squirrels. So that just there on that bridge is the start of the river. Excuse me. The river, I can't remember its name now. It's all the way from here, it goes all round everywhere. What's it called, Si? Can't remember. It runs from here, snakes its way all the way through from here, through Appleby, Penrith, Carlisle. I think it comes out Carlisle, doesn't it? Yeah. One of those senior moments. So this is Kirkby Steven. Mark it down.